There, this is my video about the Whirlpool refrigerator that we've been bought since like last week ago, and we tried to run the system and it didn't cool at all, and I suspect the freon has been leaked out completely since delivery. I believe it's going to be the truck, or it could have been mishandled by them. Either mishandled or the design was not. It was just defect design. So I'm gonna do is gonna try on the fridge, and here we go. And there we go. Fridge starts to run. You can hear the compressor. And we know what happened is, I don't hear gurgling refrigerator at all. Condenser is blowing cold air when it's supposed to be warm air. The condenser fins did not get warm at all. Compressor runs fine, but I hear it running. So if you have any of these fridge Whirlpool has the same problems, then I would very most suspect is a loss of freon. Every new refrigerator you see like this, they're notorious problems with lost freon. Either shipping mishandling, or didn't handle it in an inappropriate manner. So, thank you for watching, for subscribing the video. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye.